All right, guys, I already know what you're gonna say. Jacob, why do you keep showing us all these amazing homes? I'm sorry, I don't mean to, but just hold on 1 second. I've got one more you have to look at. Welcome to 326 Basswood Road. Fellas, listen closely. In this house, your wife is gonna have a lot of houseplants. It's gonna be okay. You got your own bar upstairs. You can come and hide. You'll make it through. All right, ladies, I didn't forget about you. Whenever your husband's starting to annoy you a little bit, there's plenty of stuff he can do outside. We've got a fire pit here that he can play in. There's 5 parking spots up top for all his toys. So he can go outside and leave you alone with a peace. Located just a couple minutes off of Highway TT and overlooking Frankie and Louis Cove at the 13-mile marker. Hey guys, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day. Check out my new listing. If you or any of your friends have any questions about this home, please give us a call at 573-302-2355.